projects that are up.
And get outside and go look at plants and go look for lizards and get dirty, and then they're a better citizen. So what we take what they learn now and how they learn it and how to investigate it as adults, they're going to use those same practices. I'm going to find out the facts. I'm going to do my own research and come up with a more broader view of the world and take that world and make a connection to themselves. As long as we're here and the teachers want their kids to be involved, we're going to take them out and get this data and get the kids in the desert.
This is KRWG Public Media. News anytime online at krwg.org.
Funding for this presentation is made possible by
Babbel, a language app that teaches real-life conversations in a new language, like Spanish, French, German, Italian, and more. Babbel's 10 to 15-minute lessons are available as an app or online. More information on babbel.com.
Funding was also provided by the Freeman Foundation, by Judy and Peter Bloom Kovler Foundation, pursuing solutions for America's neglected needs, and by contributions to this PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
And now, BBC World News.
This is BBC World News America. Reporting from Washington, I'm Laura Trevelyan. As the coronavirus spreads rapidly around the world, the US government